नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम्
नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम्
वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्.
I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahants, Tanedars, Kotaris sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha in so many countries all over the world. The city is sitting with us all over the world, having Nayana Diksha. Seattle Adinam, Ohio Adinam, Vancouver, Bhubaneswar, Los Angeles Adinam, Mill Valley, Phoenix Adinam, St. Louis Adinam, Kuala Lumpur Adinam, Snehamayi, Kulim Malaysia, Bidadi, Hyderabad Gupta Kashi, Charlotte Srisailam, Dubai Adinam, Bangalore North, Singapore Adinam, Houston Adinam, London Southwest and some more cities. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Yes, I am in Varanasi. The one statement I can make, Varanasi is just a physical manifestation of Hinduism. See, whatever Hinduism offers to the world, Varanasi is the physical manifestation. It is not just Mahadeva. All gods, it is city of gods. Again, I don't know what to tell, how to tell. Every god is inside Mahadeva. But it is not just Mahadeva. It's every divine energy. Please understand, only one God is a stupid theory. There is only God is a reality. Only one God is stupid theory. There is only God is reality. Understand, there is a difference between these two statements. As long as you see many things, there are many gods, because everything is God. When you start seeing only one thing, that one thing is God, then there is only one God. Understand? If you see nothing, that nothing is God. So, there is only one God is stupidity, there is only God is the reality. In Varanasi, as many things as you see, so many gods are there. Understand? In Varanasi, there is only God. So anything you see is God. That is why there is only God is a most powerful statement than only one God. I am telling you, from yesterday, the moment I landed into Varanasi, just, if I had to describe in one word, feels like Sadashiva, center of all the enlightenment, power, consciousness, truth, energy, everything. It is just, from yesterday, I can see the Sadashiva multifold expanding and exploding. So, I welcome every one of you. Please come as early as possible. When I am here, what are you doing there? When I am here, what are you doing there? Come on. It is time you come and experience Varanasi. The Maheshwara, Sadashiva, This is the place where you can experience the love current of Mahadeva. Because this whole city, Mahadeva created for the sake of Parvati, for the sake of Devi, because Devi wanted to settle down in plains. Mahadeva created this city. Beautifully the story describes, after Sati leaves the body, when she assumes the next body as Parvati and gets married to Mahadeva, and then Ganesha happens, Kartikeya happens, then Devi asks, let's go and settle down in plains with the whole family. Then Mahadeva chooses this place. After he chose this place and settled down, this place is Anandavana. Then Devi wanted to bless her previous Janma father Daksha. So Parvati and Mahadeva both appear in front of Daksha, who was staying at the time in Haridwar, in his palace in Kankal. So by then he has become Shiva devotee and he was worshipping Mahadeva, Daksheshwar Mahadeva, and Devi and Parvati appear, Devi and Shiva appear and bless him. After the blessings, Devi invites Daksha and wife of Daksha to come and stay in Varanasi. So they both also moved to Varanasi to live Vanaprastha life. And as a whole family, in-laws and earlier Janma in-laws, Mahadeva lived here. To see all of them, Ganga comes. To have darshan of Mahadeva, and everyone, Ganga comes here. This is the beautiful city where you can experience the love current of Mahadeva, and I welcome every one of you. Please come here to experience the love current of Mahadeva. Anywhere in the world, you can say there is only one God, but in Varanasi, you can say only one statement, that is, there is only God. Understand? Anywhere in the world you can say there is only one God. In Varanasi, I should say there is only God. Anywhere you see, it is God, 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 and God. So come here to experience God. Anything can be given up to experience Varanasi, but nothing should come in between you and experiencing Varanasi. Ganga here is love current of Mahadeva. Here, Ganga is the love current of Mahadeva. She is not just flowing away from Mahadeva, she is flowing on Mahadeva in Varanasi. She is flowing on Mahadeva in Varanasi. Varanasi, Ganga. I have no words and nothing much to speak. Just my big smile, only that speaks, that can speak volumes about Varanasi. Whatever I want to say is already expressing through my wide smile. See, when you guys see me physically, how you have the wide big smile on your face, which is uncontrollable. That is exactly I am going through now. So that's all I can say. So I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.